distinguished national, state, and local government officials, Ms. Mary Norton, Chairperson of the 63rd Annual DPI NGO Conference, Ms. Barbara Flick-Nicole, Mr. Sidibe, Mr. Akasaka, dear friends in the NGO community, I thank the Government of Australia and the City of Melbourne for hosting this important conference. We see again Australia's strong support for the United Nations, and we see again why the vibrant, multicultural city of Melbourne has so much to offer the world. Thank you for coming together to advance global health and the achievement of the Millennium Development Goals. We at the United Nations not only value your activism, we depend on it. North and South, indigenous peoples, small island developing states, we need to hear your voices, and we need you now more than ever. In just a few weeks, world leaders will meet in New York to push for greater progress on the MDGs. There have been gains on many fronts, including greater access to HIV treatment and considerable success in controlling malaria, tuberculosis, and neglected tropical diseases. But we still have some distance to go. Meeting our commitments on health is central to meeting all of the MDGs. That is why I welcome your focus on women's and children's health. This is the area where we are most behind. Yet evidence shows this is also where we can get the biggest return on our investment. Simple measures can make a huge difference. We have the know-how to build strong health systems. We have the resources to ensure that women have access to the services they need when and where they need them. And we have the global strategy for women's and children's health, which brings together all stakeholders, governments, NGOs, foundations, and the private sector. Partnership will be crucial if we are to end preventable death. Your role is invaluable. You have a unique presence on the ground in communities. You understand, like no one else, the daily challenges faced by the most vulnerable. You have the passion and networks to spread our messages far and wide. Thank you for joining forces. Advancing global health is essential to the MDGs, and you are essential to advancing global health. I wish you all the best for a successful conference, and I look forward to working with you to keep the promise of the MDGs.